Hi guys, it's Aisha. I'm back with another tutorial. This one is on my spring twist that I have here. Just going through the last three braids that I have here. So I'm just going to show you all how I did these last three. It is the crochet method, so I just placked them individually and then crocheted underneath. This is what the hair looks like, nice and springy. I ordered this here from Amazon. It comes in a pack like this. It is $22, and I will leave all of the information in the description on the title of the hair and all of that. But this is the hair that I ordered. It comes with a net. It's just a bunch of little stringies. It feels actually amazing. But yes, I ordered it on Amazon. It comes 3 of these bundles in a pack for $22. They have different kinds of hair and different colors. I just ordered 1B. Again for $22. I used, this is the last of 2 packs. And it's about 30, maybe 50 of these in 1 pack. And I split them in half. So what you want to do is you want to take this coil and make it look like this. So that it's frayed. I actually put some water and some gel on this. And then what I do, or what I've been doing for the past multiple hours today, is just folding it at the end like this. And I'm going to use my computer as my mirror. Crocheting it underneath the braid. This is like not a mirror. And then pulling it through. Making sure that it's even. Making sure that that's even. And the heels. Then I'm going to take this braid with my hair. I'm just going to start twisting. Twisting my little soul away. And then when I get so far down, I'm going to take my hair and split it. Split it like that. And I'm going to continue to twist. Now I'm tight twisting the top until my hair is completely twisted in it. And the front part of my hair is rather long. But you don't want to twist. You just want to just throw it over. You don't want to twist it and curl. You just want to just twist, not curl, but you don't want to twist and then twist. You just want to twist it because then the curl isn't going to look right. The twist won't look right. So I'm going to twist, and then I'm getting towards the tip of my hair. Sorry, I'm going to cross-eyed it, but. And then I'm just going to spray a little bit more water on here because it's a little dry. I'm using my Eco Styler Black Castor Flaxseed gel just to keep that a little moisturized so it's not dry. Then I'm just going to twist, just regular twist, just throwing it over. Throwing it, throwing it, throwing it, throwing it. This isn't as bad as I thought it was. I thought it would be longer. I started this yesterday at about 9 o'clock. So from 9 till 11, I got about this much of my hair done. And then about 10 o'clock this morning, I started the rest of it. And I'm on my last 3. And it's 7 o'clock. So keep twisting, keep twisting. Keep the ends. I'm definitely going to speed through this. There it is. Keep doing that. 3 months. I usually keep my hair up for about 2 weeks. Or a week, depending on how I like to set up. But this one, I actually like, and I actually think I'm going to keep it in for longer. Everybody be like, yeah, right. No, you ain't. You know what I say to them? You got my business. All right, the last and final twists. And I am done. And then we're going to split that hair again. This braid I might have to take down a little bit. There we go. Get that part. And then we'll continue to twist. And remember, we're just throwing it tighter at the top than at the bottom, because your hair, you want to make sure your hair is mixed in. Now, I will say that you will have hair sticking out, like some of your hair, like on this side. Some of my hair sticking out. But it is what it is. You're still cute. Then I'm going to take it down and show you guys. I lost one of my twists when I put it in a ponytail because the back of my hair is really short. So I lost that one. But it's okay. Nobody will see it. Pardon my background. It's just Law and Order again. I'll try to blur that out. And we are almost done, people. And I probably won't have any music in my background for this video. It's just gonna be me talking, because it depends on how I feel when I'm editing it. I may go ahead and throw some music in there. All right, we're at the end of the braid. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my little twisty. Twisting. Get my jam. That does thing. Just let it naturally finish unraveling, and then go ahead and twist that end, and then cut to your desire. And that is that. And that is that. And I am done. I'm going to take it down and see what it looks like. All right. All right, there it is. Looking at this computer is kind of different. I might have to change this because I have a lot of gray hairs on this side. So let's flip it to the other side. This is my bald head side. Oh, shoot, I got a lot of gray hairs on this side too. But this is the style. This is it. This is it. And I like it. And I can put it anywhere I want. I like it. I do. So this is it. I'll turn around so you guys can see the back. This is the back. And again, it's all individualized. It's all individualized. No was crocheted into my hair from flat braids. So that is the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good evening.